Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain how to solve the given question within a minute. But first, pause the video and try it your own before moving forward to the solution. So let's start. 50% of A percent of B is 75% of B percent of C. Which of the following is C? So for this, we can write like that. 50% means 50 upon 100 into A percent A upon 100 into B. This is equal to 75% means 75 upon 100 into B percent B upon 100 into C. So 100, 100, 100, 100 cancel, B cancel out, and 50 and 75. So here we write 2 and 3. 3. So this implies 2A equal to 3C, and this implies C equal to 2A by 3, and this implies C equal to 0.667A. So this is our answer. C equal to 0.667A. So our answer is B. B is the correct answer. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.